To enable and use lockdown mode in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap secure lock setting. Enter your current secure screen lock. As the example, if you use pattern, to your pattern. And then tap the gray on option next to show lockdown option to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To use this feature, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick setting panel. And then tap the power off icon. You can see here that the lock mode icon is displayed. When you tap lockdown mode, the lockdown mode will be activated, which is your phone will turn off smart lock, biometric unlock, and the notification on the lock screen. To unlock your mode while the lockdown mode is on, you have to enter your current primary screen lock, such as PIN, password, or pattern before you can use your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.